Well, everyone is focused on that potential giant nor'easter to impact New England on Saturday. Now, the storm system, we're still 3 days out, so there's still a lot of uncertainty here. But here's what we know so far. It is going to be an intense storm system. It is going to bring at least some snow to New England. It doesn't look like it's just going to stay out to sea. Most of the snow is expected to fall on Saturday. It looks like it will just be a Saturday event for us. The intensity of the storm is expected to generate quickly, so we'll see it kind of bomb out, undergoing bombogenesis, which is a term that everyone's pretty familiar with at this point. But when it becomes a bomb cyclone, it just gets strong very quickly, and it can produce a lot of wind and a lot of precipitation. Now, it looks like the heaviest precip is going to fall out toward the coast, and that should be all snow. That is where we could see that 1 to 2 foot range potentially. And then lighter, fluffier, drier snow is expected here in western Mass, so it's not going to be that sloppy, heavy, wet snow. It'll be cold here and quite windy here as well. So it all comes down to the track determining how much snow we get with this system. Yesterday, we talked about that track potentially coming over the Cape, which would bring us a pretty sizable snowstorm. That track just looks less and less likely. It looks like it will pass just to the southeast of Nantucket. How far east will determine even how much the coast will get. But for us, it looks like we will be on the lower end. Those high end amounts look to go from the Cape and Rhode Island all the way up to coastal Maine. Looking at some of the wind gusts and precipitation, and this is starting at midnight on Saturday. It's breezy. We're starting to see a little bit of light snow move up out of the south. The darker the blue, the heavier the snowfall. So you can see those southeast coastal areas really getting hit good with some heavy snow by sunrise Saturday. For us, it's still pretty light, but then it turns moderate as we go into Saturday afternoon, especially in the valley. And it gets heavier the farther east you go. This is wind gusts. So, I mean, the Cape, the islands, eastern Mass, they will see the worst of the wind. Block Island, of course, and out toward the east end of Long Island. For western Mass, we're talking maybe 30 and 40 mile an hour gusts. Not really enough to cause widespread power loss. Plus, I mean, the heavy wet snow is going to be out this way and the intense wind. This is where we could have some blizzard warnings potentially if this pans out. We will start to see snow gradually taper off Saturday night, but it stays blustery and cold into Sunday. So first look at snowfall amounts. Going about 2 to 4 inches back here across a good portion of Berkshire County and western Franklin, then 4 to 8 inches for the valley, 8 to 12 inches where you see this area of pink, and then out toward the coast, maybe as much as 12 to 18 for southern Rhode Island, southeastern Mass. Boston's going to be right on that line where they could see up to about a foot. I don't think we'll see a foot of snow here in western Mass. The best shot at it would be eastern Hampden County. I think 4 to 8 inches is a pretty solid bet for us at the moment. Of course, if that track shifts either west or east, those numbers will either lower or they'll get a little bit higher. So make sure that you stay tuned to the forecast. Tonight, dry, clear, and cold. Temperatures dipping below zero. And tomorrow we're back into the mid-20s. We'll have sunshine and some high clouds. Cloud cover increases Friday. We're back above freezing and could see a few flurries. Saturday, of course, first warning weather day due to the snow and the wind. And then it's blustery Sunday. We dry out, but gradually start getting warmer as we head toward the first few days of February. Chris and Jordan, back to you.